viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LEET code, which is 1773 count items matching a rule. Okay, so here is given in items which containing a type, color and name. There is a type phone, color is blue and the name is pixel. Okay, so here is given a lots of items here, and the first is given a type, color and name. Okay, and you are also given a rule key and rule value. Here is given a rule key and rule value. Then you just have to check the condition. If rule key is equals to type, then you just have to rewrite the value of rule value equals to type 1. And again for color, you have to rewrite rule value equals to color 1, and for rule key, if it is name, then you have to do rule value as a name. And after that you just have to return the item which match the same as a given rule. Okay, so this is a easy question, so let's do this. First you have to create int index equals to 0. Okay, this is index, and I will check if rule key is equals to color, then index equals to 1. Else if rule key is equals to name, then I have to do, if it is name, then I have to do index equals to 2. Okay, and after that I just have to do int count equals to 0, and for constant item which is traversed through the items vector, and again I will check if item of index is equals to rule key, then I just have to do count plus plus. Okay, and after this I just have to return count. Let's run this code. Okay, there is a spelling mistake, I guess. Okay, let's rewrite the value here to key. Let's run this code. Okay, again there is I just have to put auto here. Let's run this. There is showing error. Let's check this code. Where is an error? If rule key is equals to name, index equals to 0 and index equals to 1, and after this I just have to do this and then count for auto index. Okay, I have to check with rule value. Okay, so let's run this code. There is a small. Let's run this code. Okay, I hope this will work fine. Yeah, this works. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.